Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Planet IX. We talked about this project before, we mentioned some aspects, but there are some recent developments. We will cover that in the next few minutes, but first of all, everything I say here is only for educational purposes and everything also is linked down below in the description, and let's get into it. So guys, here we are on the website. Let's have a recap and then we can talk about some specific points I need to address here. That's Planet IX, and as you scroll down you will find that the Planet IX, it's a play to earn game, and the planet Earth is considered is kind of constituted out of these hexagonal shapes, and you can buy them, you can develop them, you can trade them, you can hold them, you can stake them. I mean, you can do all sorts of stuff, and we touched about that before. You can follow any of the previous videos we talked about the Planet IX, and here you have different categories. You have the legendary city center, for instance, or the rare capital city, or some rural areas, some ocean pieces, some islands, some unknown place, some deserted places. I mean, you have all kind of planet Earth territories over there. So as you scroll down, you'll find that they have also some drops, and we talked about the announcement that they are introducing the IX token. They also announced that they have 2.5 million airdrop for this token, and it did actually happen on the 22nd of June. They dropped 2.5 million token, and the fact that the price didn't drop after this airdrop, that shows the strength of this token on the longer run. So that's something actually eye-opening, and the more you get yourself informed, actually you will find that they're actually planning for another airdrop for another 2.5 million tokens. That's the distribution, and that's kind of plan for what happened and what's going to happen as well. That's the third airdrop here, June 22nd. That's a marketplace. 1 million ITX bought picks 5 times and made a listing, and these are the categories for the eligible people for this airdrop. And here's the territory staking. As I told you, you can stake your territory and gain and earn out of it, and you can also trade it with other player. And here they have the spread and the contributions. They have over Twitter, they have over YouTube and Discords and all sort of social media. So they're trying hard to expand their reach and raise more awareness out of that. So everything, as I told you, is linked down below in the description, so you can get yourself more informed regarding this airdrop. And there's something also rather important and rather interesting happening with this ambitious project: minting. During a bear market, 20,000 people minted this project during a bear crypto market. That's something to stand out here for a while and talk about it more. You know, whenever the market is going bearish, people are extremely fearful and nobody's touching anything crypto related, neither NFTs nor play to earn, anything crypto related. They're just staying away from it. But here with this project, they minted over 20,000, and it's still going. I mean, here, as I told you, everything is linked down below. They're still here. You can actually start minting right now, and you can still participate, and you can still be considered as an early adopter. So I would highly advise you to check the links down below and see what's going on and get yourself more informed. Doesn't necessarily you need to get yourself involved straight away, but I would say get yourself informed, and then you can see that things moving towards a very promising direction. So that's something also I wanted to mention here, that things are looking quite well in terms of the minting, and they have some surprises also over for early adopters and people who are minting this project. And when you look at their Twitter account, you'll see that they're quite growing substantially here. 12.7 thousand followers, not fake followers. These are real followers, some interested people in the project and how they're accelerating. And as you can see here, they're quite transparent with what they're doing. They're just plotting everything out for you as an investor or as a player or as someone who's getting involved with them. They're quite transparent with everything they're doing. Every single move they're doing, it's plotted out there. So you can follow them up also on Instagram, and you can get in chit chat with them. They're quite responsive, and you can get yourself more informed, and you will find that the community actually is quite large. The community is growing exponentially, and more people are interested in these kind of interesting airdrops and minting. So I would highly advise you to check what they're on about, and they're expanding and making some new surprises every single week almost. So that's a quick recap of what happened over here. Something also worth mentioning here, that the minting is still going till the 14th of July, so you still have time. So I would highly recommend you to go check what's going on and get yourself familiar also with the different categories. Here you have bronze, silver, gold, so you can get acquainted with what's going on and then see what fits you and how big of an early adopter you want to be. Another thing I want to mention here is the IX token. I told you that despite distributing 2.5 million tokens, the price didn't really change that much. And during a bearish move or a bearish market or a bearish crypto market, when everyone is just running around and everyone is keeping their cash, it shows strength that the coin is quite promising, and also the team is working so hard to expand their exposure and also talk to crypto exchanges and decentralized exchanges to expand the utility of this token. So things are moving for this project into a very promising direction. They're expanding, they're getting bigger and bigger every single week. So I would say the more knowledge you will have with this project, the earlier you are, the more beneficial it will be for you on the longer run. So as I told you, everything is linked down below in the description, and they're growing exponentially also on Instagram, on Discord, on Twitter. Every single social media platform is talking about them now. That means, or that proves, that they're expanding, that they're putting in the effort, and the community is getting bigger. And never underestimate something whenever the community is talking so much about it. So I would highly recommend you to check them out. Everything is linked down below, and see you soon. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about the recent developments for Planet IX. I do highly recommend you to check the links down below and keep yourself informed and keep yourself updated what's going on, because you might be missing on a great opportunity. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave any comment you might have in the comment section below, and see you next video. Bye bye.